is Annalisa. I gonna make butter today with my Thermomix, and I have the recipe here. And let's see what we need. We need whipped cream and heavy whipping cream, and then ice water, which I have everything prepared. And say to put the butterfly inside, which this one is the butterfly, and press next, and say to put the heavy cream in. It's the heavy cream. Then I press next and say to put the lid and the cap. Next, go to speed 4 for 4 minutes. Now it is whipping my butter. And I'm gonna show you after how we're gonna continue. This is another 2 minutes. I'll be back. So now the butter it's not ready, but we're gonna do it right now so I can show you how it looks like now. So that's the butter, and then we have buttermilk. So the butter, the liquid it's on the bottom, it's the buttermilk that we can use it for cakes, everything that we need to use it. Then we're gonna separate it. We're gonna put it in a glass, which I'm gonna get it. Let's put the milk here, the buttermilk. And now we're gonna get all the butter out. This is the buttermilk. Gonna get the basket. Take off the butterfly. You're gonna take all the butter out and start to wash it. Butter. So and then we're gonna get chilled water with ice, cold water. Don't pour hot water, otherwise it's gonna melt it. And then we start to wash it like this. Squeeze all the water out. Ice out. Squeeze. More water in. When you see the water is clear, it's coming out clear, your butter is ready to be molded. The more water you take out, the more or less. So let's do this. So now I have the butter here. Show you. So now I have to dry a little bit the excess water that I told you before. The more water you take out, the more your butter lasts in the fridge. So just dry it out. There's still a lot of water in there. Maybe some nice paper towel. mold it. Paper. You can see now the paper towel is drier, so now we can. So I'm gonna put on the parchment paper and mold it the way you like it, and put it in the fridge, and you have your butter that you can use every day with your toast, with your eggs. And then if you like to, you can put like a little mustard in it. That's like a friend of mine told me. He's a chef, Antonio Veneziano. He told me to put a little mustard in it. You can use with the swordfish steak with your fish, or you can put herbs. You can put whatever you want. And there you have it, homemade butter. I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching me. I'll see you next time.